And as sections of the country feel the impact of the weather system, Westmoreland, one of the parishes worst affected by Hurricane Melissa, is taking steps to improve disaster preparedness. We have the details from Kimberley Peddie.
When Hurricane Melissa swept through Westmoreland last year, it left a trail of destruction and exposed gaps in disaster response. Those hard-earned lessons are now shaping preparations for this hurricane season. Dan Readiness is the mayor of Savannah Lamar.
And they say if you fail to plan, then you simply plan to fail. And here in Westmoreland, especially at the municipal corporation, we do not plan to fail. Therefore, we will never fail to plan.
Key stakeholders in the parish rallied on the weekend as they discussed recovery and readiness under the guidance of the United Nations Office for Disaster Risk Reduction, UNDRR. They pointed to gaps such as no identified data system, limited digital literacy, especially among the elderly, and a lack of data framework between agencies. Patrick Watson, a Senior Director for Hazard Mitigation and Risk Management in the Ministry of Local Government, says the issues highlighted will be used to collate a final report by UNDRR to guide the parish's future disaster readiness framework.
It's about us that we need to know plan recovery. And if we fail to plan recovery in the real way, then we will have problems.
UNDRR's local and infrastructure manager Cristobal Lopez Maciel emphasized the importance of planning ahead of any disaster. As he said, it makes the immediate response and recovery smoother.
What we are doing here is a workshop for Jamaica, but specifically for two of the parishes, right? That is St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. And the idea with this workshop is to have a roadmap to collect information of multiple stakeholders and then to produce a roadmap.
The stakeholders are hopeful that their response to future disasters will be improved.
But one of the key discussions that we had was the difference between response and recovery, right? So mainly the first phase of response after a disaster happened is that immediate aid and the immediate response, yes, that the parish should apply. But then it comes a different phase. There is recovery. How the countries and the parishes, how do they can recover of the life that they used to have.
Kimberley Peddie, TVJ News.